it's Hannah with WTI, and if you have a barbecue lover in your life, you are going to want to get this barbecue meat blanket.
This meat resting blanket from Boyson is your new secret weapon for juicy, flavored packed barbecue every single time. It is designed with a really generous size that effortlessly accommodates large cuts of meat like briskets, pork shoulders, or even whole turkeys. The wide mouth opening and durable zipper make loading your meat simple and mess free. And with this 5-layer insulation, this bag locks in the heat and moisture so your meat can rest without drying out, and that makes it so juicy and perfect. It is lightweight, leak proof, and dishwasher safe. So easy to clean. So it is ready for your next cookout. It will make you rest your meat better, slice it easier, and serve juicier barbecue because perfect barbecue deserves the rest and you deserve perfect barbecue.
Make sure your barbecue is staying moist and juicy and hot with this barbecue meat blanket. You are absolutely going to love using it, and that's my point of view.